At number 1, we have the Hoover Clean Slate XL Portable Carpet Cleaner, designed for serious stain removal without the bulk, featuring an extra large 96 Oz tank. Watch it tackle red wine, coffee, and mud with ease. From sofas to stairs and even vehicle interiors, its powerful suction leaves nothing behind. The 7-inch wide path tool covers ground fast, while the tight spot tool reaches deep into seams. And with separate tanks, you're always cleaning with fresh water. Pros include that massive tank and deep cleaning power. While it's slightly larger than some, the performance is unmatched for active homes. The Hoover Clean Slate XL, professional cleaning power made portable.
At number 2, we have the Yukio Weeklean C5 Portable Spot Cleaner. It offers an excellent balance between affordability, portability, and everyday cleaning performance. Equipped with a 350 dW high-efficiency motor, it provides enough suction power to remove common household stains, pet messes, coffee spills, and dirt from various surfaces. Its dual-tank system keeps clean water and dirty water completely separated, ensuring more hygienic cleaning results. Although the tanks are smaller, they keep the overall weight low, making the machine much easier to carry around and store. One standout feature is the specially designed right-angle cleaning nozzle, which reaches difficult corners and crevices where traditional brushes struggle. The lightweight construction makes it an excellent choice for renters, apartment dwellers, and anyone who needs quick cleanups without dedicating significant storage space.
At number 3, we have the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner. It's built for convenience, perfect for cleaning juice spills, muddy footprints, and pet accidents before they become permanent. Its powerful suction penetrates deep into fibers, while the flexible hose provides excellent reach around furniture and other awkward spaces. A huge plus is the included 2-in-1 pet tool, designed to lift pet hair, remove odors, and clean muddy paw prints with ease. Though the 19 Oz water tank limits continuous cleaning, the machine excels at quick spot treatments and is incredibly easy to store. The pros: lightweight, strong suction, a kink-free hose, an excellent pet tool, and easy storage. The cons: a small water tank, not for large areas. Best for small homes, pet owners, apartments, and quick everyday cleanups.
At number 4, we have the Hoover Clean Slate Plus Portable Carpet Cleaner. It's the perfect middle ground, packing powerful cleaning into a lightweight, portable design that goes wherever the mess is. It comes with a 7-inch wide path tool for large areas like sofas and rugs, and a tight spot tool for stairs and corners. From coffee and wine to pet accidents and mud, its 40 Oz tank and powerful suction tackle any fresh spill with ease. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus offers the ideal balance of size and power, with efficient tools that are easy to carry and use. It's the best choice for families, pet owners, and anyone in an apartment who needs a reliable clean.
At number 5, we have the Shark StainStriker Portable Spot Cleaner. It features an innovative dual chemical formula system that mixes agents only when they contact the stain, maximizing cleaning performance and odor elimination. Beyond removing visible stains, the StainStriker is engineered to eliminate stubborn pet odors, making it ideal for homes with dogs or cats. Its specialized hair pro technology helps prevent pet hair from clogging the cleaning tools, improving efficiency during heavy-duty cleaning sessions. Weighing less than 9 pounds, the machine remains highly portable while still delivering powerful suction for carpets, upholstery, stairs, mattresses, and vehicle interiors. At number 6, we have the UWANT Portable Carpet Cleaner. It's not just hot or cold water. It blasts away dirt with 212 degree steam for the toughest stains. With 18,000 PA of suction power, it pulls out embedded dirt, grease, and even the worst pet accidents. From carpets and sofas to mattresses and car interiors, one machine cleans your entire home. Plus, steam sanitization keeps homes with kids and pets healthier by eliminating 99.99% of bacteria. The 2-in-1 water tank and multiple brush attachments make cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The pros: 3 powerful modes, incredible suction, sanitization, and unbeatable versatility. The cons: a slight learning period, and it's a bit heavy. The ultimate choice for detail-oriented homeowners and pet owners.